This is FIMI X8 Mini, and today I'll show how you can adjust the return to home altitude on this drone. So in the beginning, launch the FIMI Navi Mini app and enter device or open the drone's camera view. Then to your top right, tap at the cog icon to launch settings. Then here make sure that the first drone icon is selected. And here is the height of return to home, or height of RTH. And you can adjust it and set it to be anywhere between 30 and 120 meters, as you can clearly see. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.